In this video, I'll show you how you can change your League of Legends to Japanese. Now what you want to do is simply open up League of Legends as you normally would. And when you have the client right here, instead of logging in, what you would do is click up here, go to settings, choose League of Legends, and here where you can choose the game text, you want to scroll down until you find Japanese. Now simply select Japanese right here and close it down. Now when you do that, there will be an update for your League of Legends. So if I'm gonna log into my account right here, you'll see that it needs a little update. Now when it's updating, as you saw in the bottom, it's gonna download the new text language, and your text in-game, all your items and the item text will also be in Japanese. So let's just let it load for a little bit. And as you can see, it's now in Japanese, just like this. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.